Our starboard engine overheated, and we're pretty sure it is from something getting caught in the raw water intake. And I will show you what should have been happening and what is happening. You can see it, there's water coming out. That's the raw water cooling system on our Yanmar diesel engine. For whatever reason, well, actually we're pretty sure we know what reason, it's not coming out that side. The engine overheated and we shut it down. One of the nice parts about being on a catamaran is that you have redundancies of systems, almost every system. So it's hard to see, but down in there, that is the raw water filter. It's probably plugged with, it could be anything. It could be jellyfish. There's a lot of organic material in the water right now, just because it's the season. Anything, dead fish. But I can't get down in there right now because the engine itself is too hot. But we have two engines, and the only real issue is that it may be a little harder for me to dock the boat, but I can also turn the engine on for a few minutes just to have the two engines to help me get into the slip, and it'll be okay. But knowing how to clear this, that's something we're going to learn how to do. I know how to clear it when it's at the dock, not figured out how to clear it when we're out here. So put the sails up, let the engines cool down, worry about it later.